Coffee Mug Warmer. PALTIER Coffee Mug Warmer. Electric desktop heated and cooling coffee tea mug warmer. Coffee mug cooler and warmer with auto shut-off, powered for home office model. Smart cup set. Special designed, the heating base is made of PC ABS+PP material, adopting advanced manufacturing technology, durable and practical, life of up to 100,000 hours. Please do not seal and heat carbonated drinks. Multi-purpose, unique and stylish design makes it perfect for heating or cooling coffee, milk and any beverage.Very nice gift for constant coffee or tea drinkers. Do not drink water drinks in the cup at high temperature to avoid burns. Easy operation, plug the power outlet and turn it on. By pressing switch with different number of times to reach the function you want. Blue indicates cooling, red indicates heating, convenient and practical to use. Safety and high efficiency, power 36W voltage DC 12V, sturdy base made of aluminum 6063 and PC ABS, waterproof and anti-skid, safe and efficient to use. Eco-friendly and healthy, package includes 1X smart warmer and cooler base, 1X food-grade plastic cup and 1X power supply. Materials used are all environmentally friendly, and the sound is about 47 decibels when working. When using other containers, please select a metal container for heating cooling. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.